Replacing an AC unit isn't just about swapping machines, it's about restoring comfort with care. We begin by safely disconnecting the old system, then carefully lifting it out with a crane to protect the home and surroundings. The new unit's carefully lowered into place, aligned with precision, and expertly connected to ensure peak performance. From start to finish, our team works with integrity, treating every home like it's our own. At Deer Valley Plumbing and Air Conditioning, it's not just a job, it's a commitment to doing what's right.